2 hours later, like just exactly 2 hours later, LD decided to post her giveaway. And the giveaway code for you to get giveaway now just to call her name, like Toppest Top. What did that one mean? Hello there, my correct people. How na day? I hope na day. If yes, I'm back again with another video. This video, I'm just going to go straight and cut it short. The competition between LD, that is Lucy Daniels, and Destiny Etiko. I don't they follow them up. I do video the last time and they say that Destiny I prefer. They support Destiny, which I really don't know. But I no go argue with you now because now they actually they listen to my voice. Now they listen to what they talk. So it's possible say where I no know say I dey support person, I actually dey support am there. So I dey sorry if una feel say my judgment dey biased. Now come to my findings of these ladies lately. I feel say two of them hate each other. And haters can be our number one fan because most of the time they want to see whether you dey succeed or you dey fail. Now wetin haters they do for our life, they very very good to our life. I need to say that haters they bless us a lot, even when we know they know say that they bless, that they add. And they block them before one night. Nah, I don't have to block you. I can't join the view. I know feel chat. Now, Destiny Etiko feel they try to check LD, and LD feel they use tie they check Destiny. Two of those ladies feel they check themselves because when LD buy moto or she say she receive early Christmas present, she travel and person don't go pack Christmas present for her house will be car. When she come back, she celebrate LD to the toppest top. Her friend they praise her for the background as they do video and put on social media, and different bloggers and carry as usual. So the thing just kind of one go viral a bit. Small and see Destiny for club, just the same week of LD celebrating her car. Destiny, they always see her clubbing video on social media. Maybe most of them go agree with me. Destiny they for night party and night club dance and shake body and post them on social media. But what you can't pick my attention for that video be say she tried to make herself relevant, which Destiny they quick they do. The most relevant thing where Destiny they do for her videos now to shake her bum or to do her advert of one product or the other. We know Destiny, but making herself relevant for that club, she decided to order a drink and they use her name till they bring the bottle of wine for club, and then they come girls carrying the wine for head, all those kind of show where Destiny know they do before, and she come post on social media. Cause they look say maybe not to die down LD where they blow. You know, they blow say you buy moto. If say na the time where Destiny never get moto, maybe na that time she for buy moto, honestly. Or maybe if she never show her house, that time she for show her house. Now come to this morning where Destiny wake up and then she decided to put up right up on social media, thanking God for how far she has come, and then the house where she for grow, how did the premier rain no fall because their roof is leaky. So if rain fall, rain go dey fall inside their house. And then see her today, she be landlady, she post her house on social media before, and then now where she dey decorate the house, she posts where she for live before, where rain dey fall inside the roof. So you will see the difference. She got cars now, she get house. So she dey thank God for her life, and she dey stressing people when it be like say they see the hustle, one day God go bless you now. So 2 hours later, like just exactly 2 hours later, LD decided to post her giveaway. And the giveaway code for you to get giveaway now just to call her name, like Toppest Top. What did that one mean? Normally, this girl, they do giveaway. She know they do giveaway more than 50K. It's like LD on her own did not even have money. like if I say she did not have money now, maybe most of them now will come for me. Like I don't even know how to explain this, but LD, this girl, this Lucy, if she want do giveaway, she dey do better money giveaway. E get one of her video where she still talk say she dey like to do giveaway at least 50k. If you reach somebody hand, make the person use and take do something better, be something tangible. But now she decide say this money where she wake up and definitely go don see destiny matter where they blow on social media, because Linda IKG carry and Insta blog carry and bloggers they don't carry Destiny Etiko page post of her house and she thanking God. Bloggers they don't carry her. Even 2 hours later she decided to do giveaway of 50,000 for 2 people. She said whether na 10,000 for 5 people or 25,000 for 2. Me I just look say this not be LD. Like this competition it go dey weigh una down. This is not me being hateful, because una go say I love Destiny more. If competition too much, it go dey affect the people where they do the competition. Maybe now this na Christmas and New Year period, you need all the money you can even get, and then you know to get, but because say you still want your name to be heard, no be only Destiny, you decide say you want put yourself for tight corner to do giveaway where probably you not ready or you not get that much for. Because now you see confirm and say if you want to give away, they like 50k giveaway, and I understand them. If you want to give person something, give her something where he go fit use. If not, no just give. That now what she herself believe in. So forcing yourself to do giveaway 2 hours after Destiny dey reign, I feel say the competition go just dey take a toll on una. Just like Destiny Etiko forcing herself to buy wine for club, make they carry your name, that kind attention seeking something because you want to reign. You can drop in a comment down below wetin una think. All the videos that when they talk, like even Destiny to go on for club, I will just put them for na there for now. Mona see for myself. I will see them for my next video. Now bye.
Okay, this is Ifeoma. This is nice. I don't drop it. Oof. To body. So let's go now. Do like from here I can come out in the morning, you know, exercise myself. Oh goodness, God, Baba, thank you so much for the love. Oh gosh, this is my gift. To bad. All right, so from my room straight to my mini gym house. This is a beautiful gift from my mama, my madam, the CEO, Kayla Curse Beauty Store, Mami Uchele. That's my brother is just there. I don't know. Do your work. You're tired. I'll put you on the internet like this. My brother is so shy. Oh, goodness me, this boy. I know you, trusting you. Stop putting me on my no man. I'm gonna naga.
Ladies and gentlemen, tonight, go sing along. It's about that time we take the party to another level.
Hey guys, good morning. Okay, so I woke up this morning and I'm like, what do I do for my followers, my fans? What do I do for them? Because look at me, I'm enjoying my Christmas. I am happy receiving gifts, you know, but there are one or two of my fans who didn't really enjoy the Christmas because they didn't really have. So I want to give out, you all know when I want to do a giveaway, I don't do giveaway of 2,000, 5,000 because I feel it can't really do much for people. I don't know, me, I like, if you want to give me money, give me better money. Give me money that will do something for me in my life. Don't give me any harmony. Like, so I do unto others how I want people to do unto me. Now, I would have said I want to give 50,000 naira to one person, which would do something for the person, but I'll be giving 25,000 naira to two people, which is going to be 50,000 naira. So 25,000 naira goes to two people. Or do I do 10,000 to 5 people? Okay, it's either going to be 10,000 to 5 people or 25,000 naira to 2 people. But what you have to do is just write LV to the top and attach your account number to it. In capital letter, LD to the top. Then you attach your account number to it and I just pick randomly. Good luck to the winners. And please, if you do not win, don't be sad. Don't be sad, because some of you, when you don't win giveaways, you're angry with the person who even tries to give. You are mad. We can't give all of you. It's just luck. It's just grace. So good luck to the winners. And yeah, I love you all so much, because without you people, there is no me. Whatsoever I am today, you guys contributed immensely to it. Number one is God. And then I thank you all. Good luck.